IT Guide: How to Enable Disk Quota Limits in Windows. Disk quotas give you the power to manage and monitor storage across your Windows systems. By setting these limits, you can stop users from using too much disk space and keep things balanced for everyone in your organization. In this video, let's take a look at how to enable disk quota limits in Windows. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is a disk quota limit? A disk quota limit sets how much storage a user can use on a drive. It helps keep systems stable by stopping users from using too much space. Quickly enable disk quota limits in Windows. You can easily set up disk quota limits using File Explorer. No command line skills needed. Just follow these steps. Open File Explorer and right-click the drive you want to manage. Click Properties. Go to the Quota tab. Check Enable Quota Management. Choose whether to block users who go over the limit. Set the default limit and warning level in megabytes or gigabytes. Click Apply and then OK to save your settings. For more advanced control, Windows has tools to set quota limits across an entire drive, no matter who's using it. Here's how to set it up using Command Prompt. Open Command Prompt as an admin. Turn on quotas with fsutil quota enforce d:. Replace d: with your drive letter. Set limits using fsutil quota modify d:. Warning level, limit. The values are in bytes. Check that it's working with fsutil quota query d:. Restart related services if needed. Custom quota configuration tactics. If basic quota settings aren't enough, custom options give you more control. They let you fine-tune storage limits to better match your organization's needs, balancing resource use with the right restrictions. Not everyone needs the same amount of storage. There are set custom quotas based on each user's role. Here's how to do it. Open File Explorer and right-click the drive. Go to Properties, Quota, Quota Entries. In the Quota menu, click New Quota Entry. Choose a user and set their custom limit. Click OK to save. Warning thresholds give users a heads up before they hit their storage limit, so they can clean up in time. A good starting point is setting the warning at 85 to 90% of the hard limit. For important systems or fast-changing storage needs, consider using multiple alerts to give more notice. From quick setup in File Explorer to advanced automation with PowerShell and detailed reports with FSRM, you now have the tools to take control of storage across your systems. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enable disk quota limits linked in the description below.